¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We are finishing the stage 1 on the Roadster here, and we're gonna go ahead and start tuning, so bear with me. This is the first time I tune with the Dynojet Power Vision. So this is, like I said, a 6-pin connector. I went ahead and already routed the cable, and like I said, I'm switching the handlebars probably next week. So you guys are wondering, how did I route this? Right underneath the tank. Try to make sure it's not touching any hot parts. But here's the wire right here, up there, where you fit your gas tank, and then from there it just shoots in here into this rat nest that I have here, of course, and then that comes up, and there she is. That's how it's routed. So let's go ahead and turn this on for the first time. Bear with me, I'm not sure what I'm doing here. So let's go ahead. Let's see what this. There we go. It's turning on. Maybe we should probably. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really dark. Power Vision. Let's see. Okay, it got a whole lot brighter. Let's go ahead, hit accept. Can you guys see that? Man. Power vehicle, program vehicle. Use off-road use only. That's right, that's what I'm going to use this bike for. Load tune, auto tune. I think it's a load tune. I went on Dynojet's website. They don't have anything for the Bassani Road Rage, so I went ahead and I picked something up on their website, and it's the TBR. So just look for something that's kind of within what you have on your bike. It doesn't have to say Bassani Road Rage 3, but I'm gonna go ahead and load up the I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna go ahead and load up this one right here. This is TBR, which is a 2-into-1 pipe, so that is that number in case it needs that. So let's just go ahead and see what this thing is doing. Read original tune. So I guess it's reading what I have right now. Returning to normal operation. This will marry this Power Vision to this bike permanently and cannot be undone. Is that what you want to do? Yes. The device and bike are now married. Alright. And then here we have the tunes. And we're looking for, man, which one did I say? This one? 401. Here, let's see. 40, is this the one? 14740. Oh, no, that one. 14X 07 400 2401. So that's the one we are doing that course right here. Year 2016 Sportster, high flow air filter, and TBR exhaust, which is 2-into-1, like I said. And I had to do that with my Lowrider S, so don't be worried about it. Of course, here you are, 2014 2016 TBR air cleaner and TBR exhaust. Connect. Let's go ahead and select the slot 1. Select. If there's any data in this slot, will be overwritten. Okay, saving. Select flash the ECM. It is now loading the tune. And we could also do an auto tune on this, but I'm gonna have to do that after, probably once I have my handlebars installed. So loading tune. So like I said, on my Lowrider S, I used the what is this? Do you want to reset learn fuel trim value? This is necessary only if you've changed any air fuel related parameter. What? Do you want to reset learned fuel trim value? This is necessary only if you've changed any air fuel related parameters. Huh. I guess no, I haven't changed the injectors. Is that what that means? Alright, let's just hit no. Alright, here we go. Writing. Yeah, I mean, I guess that would be... I guess that would be something else. Okay, please turn off key and wait 10 seconds before turning key back on. So let's hit OK. Let's go ahead, turn this off. Let's give it 10 seconds. So like I said, on the Screaming Eagle Street Tuner, I went ahead and I used the basic map: Screaming Eagle exhaust, Screaming Eagle intake or air cleaner, and that was pretty much just a basic map. You guys can get these tuned, dyno tuned of course, but you're looking about, man, $500. I have a mess over here. I have to clean up this whole mess right now. So yeah, I mean, you're looking at $600 depending on who you take it to, and it's just not worth it. All right, unless you have like a stage 2 or stage 3 or 131 or a 124, whatever you're looking at, then I believe it's necessary. That way you can get everything fine-tuned, because I mean, you are spending a lot of money on you know, once you go anything above stage 1. So this is just a stage 1 air cleaner, exhaust, headers, and of course the Dynojet. So let's go ahead, turn her back on, and I think, yeah, that was 10 seconds, right? So that's ready to go, I guess. So let's go ahead and take her out for a spin. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. That was super easy, as you guys can see. Super easy. I didn't even look at the instructions. I think I spent more time you know, connecting and routing this wire for the Dynojet Power Vision. For the Power Vision, I think I spent more time routing the wire than actually tuning it. So that's it. Let's go ahead, turn her off, because I don't want to wake up the family right now. I think this pipe's going to scare some people. So let's go ahead and roll her out. And yes, yeah, you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for tuning in to yet another video. I have this mess right here, of course. It's going to be raining the next couple days over here in the Bay Area, San Jose. So I got to cover up. I don't have a shed. You guys know all the rules and California codes and stuff like that. So anyways, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys stay out there, stay safe, leave a like on the video. All right, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.